Hello everyone, another great day at Ladyfinger Sewing, and we got a great big delivery. Looks like it's from Andover Fabrics. I have the tools of the trade here, so let's get some unboxing going on. Let's see what's inside today's shipment. So nothing is more fun than seeing what has just arrived at Ladyfingers. We recently had a shipment of Free Spirit, and today's shipment, by golly, is Andover. And this is the new Anne's English Scrapbook by Di Ford. And I know many of you fans of Di Ford, we miss her terribly, and we have our legacy quilts in queue. In fact, I'm really thinking about using Di Ford's book to do a new block of the month, so stay tuned as we enjoy the legacy of all her art. She was such a beautiful person inside and out, and we miss her a lot. So look at these are absolutely gorgeous prints, and as you know, the quality of Andover fabric is unsurpassed. So you know, whatever you make with these fabrics, they're gonna stand the test of time, that's for sure. These are beautiful classic designs and colors. Look at this beautiful teal. Another gorgeous one. I actually have, I think it's, 6 or 7 boxes full. We got the entire collection, and they are available now online as well as in the store. We're offering appointments, so give us a call and come on in and get your hands on these absolutely gorgeous fabrics from Andover, Di Ford Hall, and it is Anne's English Scrapbook. So let's look over here, because feast your eyes on all this Di Ford that just arrived. I just opened 2 boxes, and here's 2 more. Isn't this great? We bought the entire collection, so you can too. And I'm just so excited. I'm really looking at the wedding sampler quilt project in Di's first book to do as perhaps a block of the month or an outright kit or a starter. I haven't done anything epic for a little while like that. So look at this. The burgundy color, the red color on this is just gorgeous. Nobody does printing better than Andover. Look at the detail on the screen printing. Look at this tiny, minute. This is so hard to do. And the design team at Andover is just amazing. Just gorgeous. Look at this. It has a slight ombre sideways in the stripe, and then the beautiful scout. Can you see this as a border or a sashing on a quilt, or play around with it if you're doing hexagons? Oh my goodness. It's really pretty salmon color too. This is really nice. More. So Ladyfingers is open Tuesday through Saturday from 10 to 5. So you can call for an appointment. Come on down and get your hands on this. Look at that. Look how rich that is. I don't know, Bill, what do you think? The wedding sampler? This is just beautiful. Look at these leaves. It's a nice scale too. Another one that's fun for fussy cutting. Really pretty brown with turquoise. And Di's pinks are just right. They're not too bright. They're not too dull. They have a little life to them, but they still have that vintage quality too. I don't have a favorite. They're all wonderful. So I'm going to open one more box and then leave that one to your imagination. But I really encourage you to give us a call if you can't come to the shop. Of course, you know that you can shop online at ladyfingersewing.com. All of these fabrics are and much more. We have about 5,000 bolted fabrics in the store. Is all available at ladyfingersewing.com. or again at the shop, 6375 Ole Turnpike Road in beautiful Ole, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 610 689-0068. Thanks for watching.